Hi, my name is Amar. Now in this video series, I will discuss one of the most popular Flutter framework library, which is called as GetX. In Flutter, we have different kind of state management libraries. Like we have MobX, we have Redux, we have Block, we have Provider. Okay. Now GetX is not only a state management library. GetX is a powerful micro Flutter framework with the help of which we can manage the state, we can manage the route, as well as we can perform dependency injection. Okay. Now GetX also provides different kinds of utility methods, which I will discuss throughout the video series. Now let me move to the slide. As you can see, what is GetX? GetX is fast, stable, extra light and powerful Flutter framework for state management, dependency injection and route management, as I discussed. Okay. Now all these topics, that is state management, dependency injection and route management, I will discuss throughout the video series. Okay. What are the three basic principles of GetX? The first one is performance. GetX is focused on performance and minimum consumption of resources. When compared to other state management library, GetX wins the race. Let me show you the RAM usage chart of different state managers. As you can see, this is the graph for different state managers. As you can see, MobX, Redux, Flutter Block, Provider, Get and GetX is there. Less value means better performance, and as you can see, GetX has less value. This means comparatively it is better than other state managers. Okay. The second principle is productivity. Now GetX provides us a very easy and pleasant syntax. Now since we need to write less number of codes here, so it saves a lot of development time and hence the productivity increases. Okay. The third pillar is organization. GetX organizes the code by decoupling the view, presentation logic, business logic, dependency injection and navigation. Now how all these things will be done, that I will show you as I will proceed in my video. Okay. This chart I have already discussed. Now what are the three pillars of GetX? The pillars of GetX is state management. GetX has two different state managers. The first one is simple state manager. Now this simple state manager is actually done with the help of GetBuilder. And the second one is the reactive state manager, which is done with the help of GetX and OBX. Okay. Now we have a route management. Now if we are using routes, snackbars, dialogs, bottomsheets, then GetX is the excellent choice, because these features we can use without using context. Now if you have the knowledge of Flutter, then you know that we need to use the context while using snackbar or dialog or bottomsheet. But if you are using GetX, then these things can be accessed without using any context. Okay. Now we have dependency management. GetX has a powerful dependency manager that allows us to retrieve the controller by writing one line of code without using any provider context or inherited widget. That is the beauty of GetX. Okay. Now how we can install GetX in our Flutter project? Simply open the pubspec.yaml file, and there you need to write in under dependencies Get 3.13.2. This is the latest version of Get at the time of recording this video. Now once it is installed, we can use different features of Get library, which I will discuss in my video series. Okay. Thank you so much for watching.